let's go. What is this?
What is that?
What is that, man? But yeah, like today, I mean, I haven't uploaded all week, so I thought it was time for me to do a bit of vlogging. I don't know, some of you, I mean, to be honest, nobody's told me that they want me to see me start vlogging or whatever. But I was just like, why not? Like, you guys only really see me like in other people's cars. So today we're gonna go on a little bit of a run to El Paso, Mexico. Obviously get a few runs in, see how the car holds up and everything. Yeah, that EMO, like, it's intermittent, so it's not like anything seriously, but I don't know, I could get this mapping sorted, who knows. But yeah, we're gonna get a few runs in, gonna get a GoPro, actually gonna go now to PC World to pick up a GoPro head mount because I lost my old one. So yeah, we're just gonna get some runs in, you know what I mean?
My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby cause I know my paper straight.
It looks like it's open. So I don't know. I think it might be this stupid click and collect shit. Bumbleclots! I'm just trying to get some gear, man. God, that sounded so bad. So these lot are fully making me have to order it online and then collect it from there after I just told them, like, cool, collect that. So issue, this one doesn't have it in stock, so your boy is gonna have to go to a different one, but I've already ordered it there, so I'm just gonna click and collect it there. Bro, the world is literally turned like upside down. Like, it's actually mad how crazy it's gone. Do you know what I mean? Like, the world's it's just changed. Oh yeah, I got the Dizzy Rascal. Man said, have a pleasant drive, rude boy. Bro, this is gonna entertain me for hours. Test it out. I feel like I'm one of those vloggers in America, innit? The man who always do the fucking... Still. Oh man, oh shit. Jordan's the real MVP fan. His thing is looking mean though. His thing is looking nice, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, bro, it's looking wide and everything. Yeah, it's looking fat. beat me. He just, I wasn't really giving it the full beans, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, really giving it the full beans, you know, engine light. So it's a bit of a sticky one, but yeah, no, like his car's quick, it's quick, but as I said, I'm not really racing like that, you know. There's me coming with the excuses already. Jordan's car's quick. Jordan's car is very quick. It's a very quick car, and he's not even mapped yet. So imagine what that car's gonna be like when it's mapped. Jesus. I'm dead. Oh, you went, bro. Why'd you go that way, bro? Why'd you go that way, bro? Yo, yo, yo.
My G. I'm ready.
What is it? I'm gonna grab some fuel because you guys, like, I don't know if you lot know, but my car drinks like a mother. So obviously, you know what? Here's a good topic. Like, I go through momentum like a lot quicker than V-Power. But V-Power, I feel like my car is a bit more like responsive because my car got, on my days always that, my car originally got mapped on V-Power, so I don't know. It's a bit of a weird one. It's a big debate. Obviously in America, I don't think you guys get, like, you don't get momentum. Momentum, basically, we have this shop called Tesco. Momentum is basically 99 octane. We get that here on pump, whereas you guys get E8, E5 and stuff like that on pump. In some places we don't get that, so I guess in some ways we're the unfortunate ones, but in some ways we, oh my days, I've got my GoPro on, bro, and you're driving like a maniac. Yeah, in some ways we're kind of lucky on that sort of front, in others we're not, I guess. Woo. What the hell? Go, 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 go. My car's broken. No, we're not that far behind you, you know. This guy, bro. I'm getting drawn out, I can't lie. Yo. Nice little Golf R next to us as well, I think. Fam, yeah. I'm gonna have to black out my speedo, innit? It's been mad. My car's running bare hot, fam. It's fucking. Huh? Yeah, hold on, my car's fucking up.
Power on. 7.
I'm gonna have to do a quick switch off, switch on thing.
Power on. 7.
Get in front of you, gun.
Yeah, my car's fucking up, yeah. So I'm basically, I'll catch up, but I'm gonna pull off to the left hand lane and then I'll catch up, yeah.
Cool. Slow down, brother. Let's do this.
That's what it takes for my fucking car to work properly.
In the Hollywood Hill, the space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. Where everything I say turn into the real thing.